Unlocking the Steps to Graduation, a guide to applying. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a very important phrase for students nearing the end of their academic journey. Apply for graduation. Whether you're in high school, college, or any other educational institution, understanding this phrase and the process it entails is crucial. Let's dive into what it means to apply for graduation and how you can navigate this exciting phase of your academic career. When we break down the phrase, apply for graduation, we're looking at two key components. To apply generally means to formally request or seek something. Graduation refers to the completion of your studies and the receiving of your academic degree or certificate. So, when you apply for graduation, you are officially requesting to be considered a candidate for completing your academic program and to be awarded your degree or diploma. You might wonder, if I've completed all my courses, why do I need to apply for graduation? This step is crucial because it triggers your institution to review your academic record to ensure you've met all requirements for your degree. It's not just about finishing your courses. It's about verifying that all requirements are met, including credits, specific courses, and sometimes even extracurricular or community service requirements. Applying for graduation also informs the school that you intend to participate in the graduation ceremony, a significant milestone and celebration of your academic achievements. The process can vary slightly from one institution to another, but generally, you will need to follow these steps. 1. Check your academic eligibility. Make sure you're on track to complete all your program requirements. 2. Find the application. It's usually available on your institution's website or student portal. 3. Submit the application by the deadline. Pay attention to the deadlines. They can be several months before the actual graduation date. 4. Pay any applicable fees. Some institutions may require a fee to process your graduation application or to participate in the ceremony. 5. Confirm your participation in the ceremony. If you wish to walk on stage, you often need to indicate this separately. Applying for graduation is a pivotal step in your academic journey, marking the transition from a student to a graduate. It's a process filled with excitement and a bit of paperwork. We hope this video has shed light on what it means to apply for graduation and how you can smoothly navigate this process. Congratulations on approaching this significant milestone. Keep pushing forward, and don't forget to celebrate your hard-earned achievements. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Here's to your success, both in learning English and in your academic endeavors.